guys, it's me again. Let's do another quick and short unboxing video. Come and join me. This is a Ryobi 1 Plus Cordless Soldering Station. And as to my previous videos, this is a skin only or tool only kit, so you will be required a Ryobi battery pack for this. Alright guys, let's unbox this kit. Guys, this is what you're gonna get off the box. So you have your manual, you have the soldering station itself, also comes with additional 3 different tips, the drawing or pencil, the chipset tip, and the sharp knife tip to cut. You can see it also have the holder. You have the foam that you need to wet every time you're gonna use this, and they provide you with a short soldering iron for you to use it. Now, to operate, of course you need to have the battery, and then push on and off and adjust the desired temperature as well. Let's give it a go because it has different settings. As you can see, red, it means it's warming up. Green, the tip is already warm up, ready to go. Pulsating green, it means that the temperature is cooled down. Battery is attached. Let's try. See, turn this on. Reach the desired temperature, it means green. The tip is already warm or hot, ready to use. Another handy tool for DIYers out there. And same with other Ryobi tools. To remove the battery, simply pinch this button here underneath. There's another one, and it will release the battery right away. Hey guys, there you go. Thank you for watching this short unboxing video. Till next time, subscribe and like my channel. Peace out. Bye.